This is the cord knitter from Caydo. It's an electric cord knitter. You just have to load it. There's instructions in the manual. You can scan a QR code and watch a handful of videos on YouTube that show you exactly how to thread it, how to begin, and how to terminate your knitting. It's got some great tips, so I recommend going through those videos really closely. There is a manual crank on the outer side of the knitter that helps you kind of get it started. I recommend putting your yarn in a low position, sort of on the floor off to the side. You can see where my ball of yarn is feeding from. And it goes pretty fast, and it makes a nice, very neat 4-needle icord, which you can use in lots of different ways. It comes with a combo crochet hook and tapestry needle that you can use to begin and terminate your icord. And it's very substantial. You know, I think you have to use sort of a medium weight yarn. You can test different yarns and see how it does, but it looks really nice.